When we work with any OEM or a partner, our job is to make sure that they are bringing the new technology to the market. It gives consumer know-how to make their lives better. The key here is integration, right? Our teams are working very well to integrate themselves with our customers' team. We put time and resources to understand their products from ground up so that we understand the challenges what they are facing and what they would like to prioritize when they're launching their products to the market, whether it's speed, whether it's a seamless experience. And once we understand, then their goals become our goals. Quality is very top priority when we are producing any product for our customers. So it's a given that any product we produce in our factory, it's going to go through very highest quality standards. So we bring partnership to the table, which is beyond transactions. We are working with one of our industrial OEM partners for more than 25 years. And if you look at our enduring partnership, this actually gives you a testament of commitment and the faith and the trust which our customers have put in us. We'll be working hand to hand with our customers, growing alongside our customers, and we will be making an impact to our complex industrial landscape in a meaningful way. When it matters means that we are always going to be there for you, whether you are going through some challenging environment or challenging product launch or just trying to get a seamless experience. Benchmark will be there for you to support you every step of the way. Benchmark when it matters.